I thank SSH very much for doing this study together with us, or having commissioned Anna Maria Boromisa to carry out the study on work on climate. I think this is a crucial topic for Croatia, because in many countries, especially in Eastern Europe, we focus on the phase out of coal and the transition of heavy industries and the jobs affected by this. But here in Croatia, the debate is completely different. Here we have to really focus on keeping the jobs that are threatened by the climate crisis impacts. If you lose your coast, you will lose the core of your economy, and with agriculture it is the same. So the debate here is different, and this is why it is so good to have a study like this showing both the impacts of which jobs might be lost because of climate mitigation, which jobs will be lost if we do nothing against the climate crisis, and last but not least, which big potential opportunity Croatia have to create new green jobs. This is really huge.